Hi everyone, welcome to Joe Lish. Today we're going to make a cucumber and tomato salad. I have 1 cup of peeled and seeded cucumber. If we were using this the traditional Moroccan way, we would use a vegetable called a Feggous, and that is a relative to the cucumber. It's also known as an Armenian cucumber, but you can just substitute in cucumbers. So we're going to take that, place it in a bowl, and then I've got 1 cup of diced tomatoes. These are actually quartered cherry tomatoes. You can use diced. I happen to have cherry tomatoes, so I went with those. I have 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of finely minced red onion, and 1 tablespoon of finely minced parsley. Now to that mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some freshly ground salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. We're going to go ahead and mix that all in. All right, it's as easy as that. That salad's ready to serve. Thanks for checking in and watching this episode. Remember to subscribe and smash the likes. Check out our links below and visit my blog at joelish.com.